What's going on? I'm Kasim. It's Just Sneakers, back with another review. And today we got the New Balance 550 in the white and purple. Yeah, I know the deal with these already. I mean, if you're clicking on this video, you probably looked it up. I got a number of these on my channel. Originally released in '89, brought back last year, and we've just been getting a slew of GRs since. These here are the latest to drop. They dropped in a green as well as a navy. So, you know, without further ado, let's jump straight into the details. Leather shoe, suede. Let's start at the toe. You got that gray suede on the toe. Mesh tongue. New Balance branding with the basketball centipede. You got a hint of purple popping out right here. Good look. Jump over to the side of the shoe. Good profile, fuck with the profile of the shoe. You know, you get a whole look, the whole aesthetic, 80s basketball. You know what it is. New Balance logo is a purple. It's like a vinyl. And this purple is sort of like, it's a court purple, deep purple, you know, Lakers purple, whatever may have you. And you know, they dope, man, I can't lie. I'm in a purple thing, so, you know, they hit with me. Purple popping out on the hill right here. Purple hit right here. 550 in that court purple. As well as like the outline right here is purple. So you know that, you catch that as well. The back, New Balance, simple, white heel tab. Inside, you see the gray perforations. Perforations on this side too. You know what it is with these. They all got perforations. Take a look at the insole, Ortholite insole. The midsole, white, clean, classic. See the purple popping out. Outsole, solid purple, clean. Sizing on these, I suggest half a size down. I'm a true to size 9. I wear 9 in most sneakers, Air Force Ones, half a size down. And that's pretty much my recommendation with these. Most 80s basketball sneakers, man, besides Jordan 1s really, and dunks. Some dunks, you know, I vary, but I suggest to half size down. You know, you still be good with true to size, because I actually have a pair of these that are true to size, and they kind of almost feel the same. It's weird, but I suggest half a size down. Resale, I think it's normal. I don't think it's nothing crazy. They shouldn't be nothing crazy for these. You're probably gonna have to pay a couple extra bucks more. It is what it is. My overall thoughts on these, yeah, I'm rocking with these. As far as like, I'll put these among the top, at least as far as the ones that I own quite a number of these. And this is in the upper percentile of the ones I like. Like if I had to get rid of them, I'd probably end up keeping these and like 2 other pairs if I had to, you know. You know, but what do y'all think, man? Did y'all pick these up? Do you got any pairs of these? You know, it's just a quick review. I had to get these off because, you know, I got them, and it's like, there's probably somebody else out there who's thinking about copping or on the fence, or like, so, you know, I wanted to give my take on these, and I think they fire. I think they among the best GR pairs to drop. But, you know, I have a bias towards purple. I just like purple, you know, is what it is. We gonna jump to some on-feet looks real quick. So yeah, man, what do y'all think about these, man? Y'all rocking with them or not? I'm Kasim. It's Just Sneakers. Peace.